Cerebral Palsy Daily with
Steve.
and Dustin. Woo! Hey guys, and welcome back to Cerebral Palsy Daily. Today, I'm going to help Steve feed the goats. Let's see how this goes.
Come on, goats. Come on, goats. Here they come, Dust.
Look at Rufus.
Here they come.
Woohoo!
They're hungry.
Hello, goats.
All right, Dustin's gonna try to feed these critters. Get over there by the pan, Dust.
Okay.
Let's see how this goes. This pan right there. Gonna turn Dustin into a goat farmer instead of a YouTube man. Hey, pull up beside it, or your right hand, with your right hand.
Yeah, I gotta turn around.
I hope your viewers got all day.
It's gonna take a while, ain't it?
The goats are hungry, Dust. Come on, man.
I'm tired.
Get him, Rose. Now you're gonna have to get closer. I'm gonna put a little food on your chair so they'll jump up on there.
They might get on my desk.
They probably would. Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop.
I don't want to hit Rose.
Oh, she's fine. Keep going. Now go left a little bit.
You said left?
Hang on. Stay right there. Let me just scoot the pan over for you. Hello, girls. Hello, Rosie. There you go. Now see if you can dump that down there. Can you grab it like that?
I can try.
Got it? Nope. Not gonna work. Just try your way again. Just tip it over there beside you. The pan's right by you. I don't know if Dustin's gonna be a goat farmer or not. It's raining food. She found some. Dustin's got a new friend.
It's tickles.
She eating off your lap?
Rose.
That's funny.
Rosie. Careful what you...
She might bite something. They're finding it. That it? You got more on you, Dust, than you got in the pan there.
I took out a little bit in the cup.
Here comes Rose again.
Having a good time, Rose.
She's like, hey, I'll eat it wherever I can find it. Oh, got my finger over the lens. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Here you go, girls. Well, Dust, what do you think of that?
Well, That was a disaster.
You got quite a bit of food on you there. You can have that for a snack.
I'm going to become goat food.
All right. Anything you need to say?
Nope. Guess I won't be a goat farmer. Well, that's all we got to say about that.
So don't
Forget,
to
like,
and
subscribe.
yeah,
Yeah.
man.
Climbing on me. Will you let me pet you, Rose?
You got some new friends, Dust.
Hey, easy, Rose.
She's the enforcer.